These muffins are something else. I'd love to share with you this delicious chocolate chip banana muffin recipe. They are easy to make, great for breakfast, lunch boxes, and with a cup of tea. And they will turn out so soft and yummy.
Hi! Welcome to Ozzy's Home Cooking. Let's get started.
Let's start with oiling the muffin cups and turning on the oven to 200 degrees Celsius to preheat. We are melting 100 grams of butter and putting it aside to cool down. In a large bowl, we add 1 egg, about 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. While we mix everything together, we add the cooled down melted butter into the mixture. Mix it for a couple of minutes until it is well combined, lighter in color, and has a creamy texture. Yes, that's it. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix them all together. Next, mash some soft bananas, 4 small bananas, or it could be 2 big ones. Add the bananas into the wet ingredients bowl. After mixing, we add the dry ingredients on top of that. Now gently mix everything together, as we want to keep air inside. Let me show you the consistency. And at last, add a handful of chocolate chips into the mixture. And again, give it a gentle mix. Then fill 3/4 of the muffin cups with the batter and smooth the surfaces. With these ingredients, you'll make about 12 muffins. Now add more chocolate chips on top and gently press them in. Here we go. Our muffins are ready to go into the preheated oven, no fan, 200 degrees Celsius for the first 10 minutes, then bring down the oven to 170 degrees for the next 20 minutes. You can give the muffins a toothpick test. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the muffins are done. Don't take the muffins out quickly after turning off the oven. Leave the oven door open and let them cool a bit inside. Sudden temperature changes might collapse the muffins. Now they've cooled down enough. Look at these, so soft and comforting. I add the details of the recipe in the description, as usual. Enjoy! Please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like. Also, don't be shy. Say hi in the comments. I love to talk with you there. See you next time. Thanks for watching.